What is your name?
Are you trying to be like Jai from Sholay? But I'm no Basanti. मेरा नाम Alexa है.
Where are you from?
I'm from Amazon headquarters in Seattle, Washington.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to use Alexa on any Android device. So let's get straight to the video. First, open Google Play Store and then search for Amazon Alexa and then install it. I had already installed it, so I'm going to open. Here you can sign in with your Amazon account or you can create a new account. I have Amazon account, so I'm going to sign in simply. Now tap on Done. Here are things to try. We are almost done. Now go back to your home screen. And long press the home button and choose Alexa from the list. Allow and done. Now you can use Alexa on your device by long pressing your home button.